Okay, what we have here is a very fine example. Really, really nice condition. This is a Marantz 1810. It's a beautiful deck. Awesome wood cabinet. Just mint condition. So, but the problem that it's having is it's trying to eat cassette tapes. Okay, so what we have in here now is a Maxell 90-minute cassette tape. Okay, the inside of this is very, very nice. Sorry about the lighting in here. The heads are beautiful. Pinch roller, everything. This is one of my personal decks. So, this is one of the very first cassette decks I ever rebuilt. So I've had it for about 18 months. So I know I put new belts in it and reconditioned a lot of the idler tires. So we'll press play for a second here. The right wheel is struggling. So we're going to have to take this all the way apart. And find out why. Okay. There's 2 screws on this side, 2 screws on the other side, and this wooden cabinet will lift right off of here. I'll be right back. Okay. So yeah, this is a beautiful mechanism. The belts look great. For being almost 1.5 years old. Idler tires inside of here. Yeah, they look really nice. So everything in here is looking really good. There's no cassette tape in it. I'm just letting it play for a second. The auto stop mechanism's moving real nice. The belts are running real good. So my guess is that that front idler tire has to be replaced because it has no torque at all. As soon as you touch it, it wants to stop spinning. Okay. So we got to take this entire mechanism out of here. So all the Loctite has been removed from the screws because I've been in here before. So the screws will come out real nice and easy. We have one with a earth ground or ground wire, whatever, right here. This screw comes out. This screw over here has to come out. This little spring down here, this is the record lever that works the record switches. Okay, so this little C-clip right here, this C-clip comes off, and that record lever will lift right off just to get it the hell out of the way. So this little spring just unhooks. So that's pretty much all there is. There's 3 screws on the bottom that will have to come out. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So these 3 come out. So I'll be right back. Okay, so the record lever has been taken out. 2 screws removed. Took the ground wire. It was trapped behind this VU meter, so I just slid it down. Now it's free, okay? Took the 3 screws out of the bottom of it. So this entire mechanism is free to move around. So what I do now is I like to take a cloth to lay it in here because we don't want to damage anything. So we want to give it a nice little bed to rest on. I'm going to lift this mechanism up and set it down on its back. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I took the door off just to get it out of the way. Okay, so this black plate right here has to come off. So there's 2 screws, one right here and one right here. So make sure you use a magnetic screwdriver because you don't want to lose those screws. They'll fall down in that mechanism, and then you'll be shaking the mechanism to get your screws back. What I have a feeling I'm going to end up doing anyway. So okay, that's one. I'll be right back. Okay, got lucky. None of the screws fell down. So that just lifts right out of there. Yeah, I really didn't want to do this today. All those rods and screws in my back really are not in the mood for it, but it looks like my light needs some new batteries. Okay, I'm gonna have to turn this deck on its side so you can see what the hell I'm doing. I'll be right back. Okay, so it's powered up right now. Okay, and you can just see this wheel right here. Okay, as soon as you start touching it, okay, it wants to stop. All right, so it has absolutely no torque at all. All right, Okay. Okay, so what it looks like to me is that idler tire is going to have to come out.